Oh, did you?
It's a giant, dude. It's a net. It's a giant.
Let's hope it's a smallmouth and not a gar. What is up, folks? I'm out here technically on a guiding trip. My goal is to put T-Rig Tyler on his first ever smallmouth and maybe even real true river spot. We're out here on Pickwick. We run down there to the dam if we need to, but I think today we're just going to focus on moving current on rocks and stuff, fish a bunch of crankbaits, swim baits, stuff like that. And yeah, so I'm gonna fill around fish too, but for the most part we're just gonna try to put Tyler on a smallmouth and just enjoy the day, have a good day. And so yeah, let's get you on the chest cam. We will see you in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. First cast. Oh, got smoked. First cast. I don't know how he missed it. Fish I caught in my boat was right there.
I will throw you in the water. We go by the $70 reel from water.
Yeah. I think I got line.
You found your line.
You ready? We'll make our first move. To a spot that I've had better luck at. Yeah, stop back here before we leave. Huh?
What time you got there with you?
6 o'clock or so.
See?
Yep.
I don't need it.
Yep. Nope, line. Ooh. Found a bunch of that fishing cranks.
Yeah.
You said you wanted to catch a white bass. Flip it in here, dude.
I know.
White bass.
First river fish.
There you go. First one of the day.
He hit right at the boat. Right when I was coming out of the water. He hit right at the boat. There you go. I can see him. Oh my God.
Oh, that was right by my crankbait, dude. I guess I scared something. Oh, there we go.
I got one.
Me too.
Oh my God. What is it? Oh God. Oh my God, it's a giant.
Big smallmouth.
Right.
I don't know. I think I got a big smallmouth.
Oh my God. Look at this spot, dude.
Dude, I got a 3.5, 4 pound smallmouth.
Oh goodness.
All right.
I got a 3 pound spot.
Now you got a pound spot. Okay, buddy.
Dang.
Hey.
Oh my God. That's your PB?
Yeah, that's definitely a PB. I'll freak out when I get off these rocks. He got a largemouth body and a smallmouth head. You can throw that in the box.
I got him good, but he wasn't going anywhere. I might need those pliers.
Oh my goodness. I ain't even showed up the camera on this fish yet. Mean mouth or a big smallmouth. I don't know really. I think that's a mean mouth. Dude. That's about 3 pounds, I think. We can put both these in the live well.
Weigh them?
Yeah, we're going to weigh them here in a minute.
Right below you.
We got to get back to that dock and redo. Well, I'll weigh them here in a minute. I don't know what the...
Can I hold it?
Yeah, here in a second.
That's like a 2 pound spot, ain't it?
Oh yeah, he's 18 inches. I know, even if he's a smallmouth, he's.
Oh my god.
I don't know what that. I think it's a big.
It's a smallmouth.
It's at least it's a smallmouth or mean mouth.
That's 5 pounds.
No, it's about 3. All right, let me talk with him for a second.
I'm gonna put him in the water a little bit.
Yeah. All right, put him in the box. There we go. That's probably a PB smallmouth or mean mouth at least. So let's get him in the box, and we gotta get back up to this dock.
The double hook.
Okay. Talk to my camera. Is it running? Yeah. All right. Sorry for the confusion. 4%. I almost didn't get that fish on camera. There's so much going on. I think we're gonna try to get turned around and get back on that school because there's some good fish in it. What do you think that was? Mean mouth or smallmouth? So y'all let me know in the comments. Tyler?
That spot though.
That was a good spot too. I don't know how much we even showed of his fish. We doubled up.
Yeah, literally.
So we're gonna get back out over there, get back to that, and yeah, we'll catch you back on the chest cam.
I'm happy. Sorry.
You're good.
I should have got my camera. I don't feel like I catch stuff when I'm on camera.
Yeah. Another big one. Oh no, he ain't that big, but another smallmouth.
Really?
Yeah. Can't keep this one though. He ain't 18. That one ain't 18 inches though. Another smallmouth. All right, buddy. Here we go. They're here. They're in that bait.
Where?
Did you not see all that bait jump out of the water a second ago? Only when they're in environmental.
Really?
Yeah.
You gonna be doing?
Oh. Yep. Biggin. 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 Biggin.
Giant.
Giant.
10 pounder?
No. 4 or 5 pound smallmouth. Stay down. Stay down. Big head shake. Big head shake. He's not as big as that other. Oh, you're no, not net. Give me, appreciate the net job.
Oh yeah.
Another.
You saw me going to grab him. Huh?
Another good one. Another thick one. So that's that ugly brown I was talking about. I don't like.
Yeah.
Because he ain't got the tiger stripes. See if he's 18. Woo. Another good one. Look, a hook just popped right out.
Dang it, man.
All right, 2 smallmouth. See if he's big enough to put in them.
That ain't fair.
Yep, 18. Yep. All right. Got our 3 keepers for like 9 pounds.
Yeah.
Woo. Yeah. Well, so far, that's about like my other. That one right there is about 2.5, I
It's
think.
definitely like a smallmouth.
Yeah. I gotta get you up here. They're in that. I mean, they're loaded right there. He hit at the end of a cast, so he just felt giant. Oh, there's another one. He's mad, but I don't think he's that big. About like that one smaller fish I caught. He's mad though. Yeah. Yeah. Number 4 though, quick release. Oh, that ain't good for a crankbait. That is though, another good fish. Get out of whatever you're in, or this is just a big one. Nope, got him hooked. I got him hooked funny. There's the trifecta, no spot. Check to see if this is big enough for the 5. And hope we cull him out at the end of the day. Come on, dude.
You wouldn't go nowhere.
See if this one will go 12.
Probably like 10.5.
Nope, 12 on the money. we do have our fourth keeper. And we're not in no tournament or anything. We're just fun fishing, trying to catch our best 5. Oh my goodness, we about died. All right. No, put them on the spot side.
That big one's mine, don't forget.
Yeah. You can probably switch when we run back up there and fish it again. Be time to change them. Not running. Yeah. Let's move up and do it again.
All right.
So this time you'll have the crankbait. Here. Huh? America. Got one? Hold him. Get him out. Get him up here. Slow down. Fight him. Yep. What you got?
How big is it? Oh my god.
Woo! Big largie.
Oh my god.
Finished the trifecta with a 4-pounder.
Hey. On the spinner.
Just look, popped out. 4-pounder.
Right past that little stick in the ground.
Well, dude,
Oh my god.
hey, don't let me hold it. Here you go. Hey, 3.5, 4 pound for sure. We over 10 pounds with our best 5 now.
Oh my god. This is the biggest fish in the boat.
I don't know. My smallmouth's up there with it. We gotta call that little spot of mine. What's going through your mind?
My heart hurts. Did you see? I hit that freaking branch and I thought, pow!
Aren't you glad I came to Horse Creek? Now,
That's a freaking giant.
that was,
buddy.
that was our little.
That's the one I caught.
Is it?
I think so. No, I caught 2 decent spots. You caught the smaller one, didn't you?
Yeah. I caught this little small spot. But all right.
4-pound largie.
I'd say he's
On
close.
the spinnerbait.
On the War Eagle. Hey, the War Eagle that I was giving you crap about. That's gonna be a close.
Woo. We got way of them.
We got 5 fish
That's
that are probably
over.
close to 12 pounds.
That's probably like.
Because we got 3 in there right at 3.
That's that little branch, dude.
Get back in there. What are you throwing now?
Huh?
What are you throwing now? Same thing.
Spinnerbait. I ain't putting it down quite yet. There's a fish right
There's all kind of fish around us. Oh! Absolutely smacked it.
there.
I don't know, he just smacked the heck out of it.
You almost hit me in the face.
I did. This is... Oh, must be a fish there if we both threw there. Throwing the same crankbait. Oh, did you get him?
I don't know what I got. It's a giant, dude. It's a net. It's a giant.
Let's hope it's a smallmouth and not a gar.
It's a giant.
Oh, it's a drum. Get him in.
It's a giant. It's like 10 pounds.
No, it's like 3. Well, I say 3. Not about 5. New PB?
Bucket. Yeah. He smoked it, dude.
All right.
There was a fish right there.
Yeah. All right. Let's see if I can get him unhooked for you. 467. 465. Release of the big drum there. There he goes.
There you go.
Throw it.
Want him to die?
Yeah, I don't want them to die. All right, they're starting to die, so we're gonna go ahead and get a quick weight and get them back in the water. Didn't realize it was that hot out here, so we're gonna go ahead and get a weight. And we ready? $308. About who's got the biggest. So 308.
295.
We're zeroed out. 317, 31. It's 31.
Okay.
We got 308, a 317.
I can't believe you beat my largie. I thought that could have swore it would be 4 pounds. What was that, about 3? Straight 3? 280?
2-3. So we got a 2-3.
What about a pound?
And
Pound?
1.19. So 1-1. I'll let you.
You've been eating on the bottom.
Alright.
Lord have mercy.
149, 1.5. Ready?
Nice.
Alright, show the camera.
I didn't show the other one.
That's alright. So that may be the end of the video. I don't know. We're going to go fish for a little bit longer. We just wanted to get them out of the well, make sure they were good and healthy. So we're going to fish just a little bit longer. If you don't see anything else, we've had a fun, we've made a really fun video. I've enjoyed it. I hope you enjoy it. And we will see you next time.